In the previous 2 years, Fangjia Hutong in Beijing has undergone huge transformation. From a busy hutong full of bars and restaurants to a fairly quiet residential hutong as it is today. This video shows 3 periods over the previous 2 years.
Today is the 15th of April 2017.
Fangjia Hutong on 15th of August 2017 after a little bit of construction work. Alright, so I'm sure you'll see that just 2 months later there's already been a lot of construction, a lot of brickening. So now we're going to have a look at 2 years later in April 2019 and you'll really see the big changes that have gone on. Let's go! Back to 2017. So this is cellar door. Now cellar door was pretty legendary in Fangjia Hutong. So that's why I've slowed this part down. I had a lot of great times here at cellar door. And I really feel that cellar door represents everything that it kind of stood for as a center for people to meet up and experience Beijing life in the hutong. And another great thing about cellar door was that they really went to great lengths to resist the brickening. How many bars will actually continue operating once the door has been bricked up? And that's the thing that cellar door did. They got a step ladder up to the window and you could sit outside in the hutong, or you could go up the step ladder and into the building and have a beer, and it continued to operate like that for pretty much the whole of summer 2017 until it eventually closed. It was a great place to hang out, listen to some crazy rock or punk music that the owner Rain was playing, and drink some really nice beer from the beer fridge, which had beers from all over the world, as well as local beer. It was a really great place. Back to 2017. So this is really Mao, or Hot Cat, and Hot Cat was another favorite place of mine. A great small live house and a really good place to jam with other guitar players and other musicians. This is their front entrance being bricked up. They continued operating for a while because they have a back entrance, but they've just very recently closed down. But I'm hoping they'll reopen soon. Well, hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and it's been interesting to see how Fangjia Hutong has changed over the last couple of years. Well, click like if you like the video and subscribe. I'll be making some more videos soon.